In my previous video I have tried to drill a wrench with an HSSCO drill bit that I have got from my friend. As you can see, it's a script HSSCO on it. Yeah. And I got two sets of drills from Banggood, and one set arrived, and the script on that was just HSS, and on the other set was the script HSSCO. And I tried the drill bit with HSSCO script on it, and I will try, and it failed. I couldn't drill out the wrench with it, and I will try it now with the script HSS on it. I know it's a messy place, but I have no time. I don't have even time to make videos. But okay, sorry, I made a mistake. In my previous video I drilled with a drill bit with the HSS symbol on it, and I have now the drill bit from Banggood in it, and it is a script on it, HSSCO. That means it's a Cobalt drill bit, but I think, yeah, it doesn't drill. I have just the annoying sound there, and I can drill to the wrench. Okay, I will stop my drill and just look on the hole, better said a dent in the wrench. I have tried before with an original branded HSSCO drill bit, and it's an expensive one, but I got it for free from my friend. Thanks for it. And I know it can drill to this material with no problem. It's very difficult to change drill bits with only one hand. I have a stand for my camera, but I have such a messy place that I can't use my tripod. Okay, let's try it. And as you can see, chips are already flying. Okay, it's enough. I'm so sorry for this Banggood stuff, but I can drill a wrench with it.